Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner at TechView Snap, and today we are going to get into another Python tutorial, and we're really going to get into a bit of programming logic, which you'll see across the board no matter what language you really go to. And with this, I highly advise you to check out my previous videos, and if you want to check out my last one, my card should be towards the top of the video. And if you know about if-else statements, then please feel free to check out the card towards the top about now, and it should take you to the next video. If that one's not out yet, then the card shouldn't be there, but keep in mind the videos come out once, twice a week, depending on my schedule and everything else. So as far as this video, we're going to be covering if-else statements, and this is highly used across the board in just about every last language that you will come across. And you will need to know this if you're going to do this in profession or even just do it as a hobby. So if else, basically if checks if something is correlated. So for example, if you go out to a store and you want to buy an item is $10, and you look at how much you have. If you have $10 or greater, then you can buy the item and you can buy it. Otherwise, you can't. So you got an if statement saying if you have $10 or greater, then buy item, else don't buy the item, because you can't, or just have nothing else for the else. So an example is I got age equal to an integer, so the integer is 28. So I said if age equals to 28, which obviously it is, then print the following. Else, if, so the for Python it's elif. I don't like that, but it is how it is. In other programs like Java, it's else if. So Python just try to take the two letters out for whatever reason. A lot of people don't like it, but it is what it is. So elif is else if, so it's else and then some other statement. So elif age is greater than 28, then print off the following. Else, so if neither one of these statements is true, then do the following. So if you just have an if, blah, 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 and then an else, like we take out this middle portion right here. So we take out this. It would say if this isn't true, if, like, say I put 29 or 26 or 2 or negative a billion, it will go down here. But if it's 28, it will always trigger that. It's very important to realize that, where else is just saying if not true, then do this. So with that, obviously you can see a obvious benefit right there. And then if you go down to, say for example, you want to make sure it's not something. So like, say for example, ABC equals 1, 2, 3. If not, so you would just put not. ABC equals 3, 2, 1, which is obviously not, then do the following, and then it does the following. And you can put a else statement saying you are 1, 2, 3, or else if you want. But basically, if not is basically saying, and you can put not there, but if not is basically saying that if this does not equal to or follow this rule, or like say for example greater than or less than or whatever it may be, then do the following. Otherwise, don't do nothing or whatever. In this case, if I made it 3 to 1, it would have done nothing. There would have been no output because there is nothing telling it what to do if it equals to 3 to 1 or whatever. So it's very important to realize that you can have a not statement there, but most of the time what I'll see is this, the if else, or else if, and then the else. So these are the biggest ones I've seen in the possibility of having this if not is there, but I almost never see that in my personal experience. Yours might be 100% different, so you might see that all the time. But this, I would say, if you can't get this, you're going to struggle through coding. So leave a comment below if you got any questions, and I'll try to help you out as best I can, but this is pretty straightforward in itself. Also, please do check out our Patreon campaign to help these videos keep coming out on a regular time basis, also free and whatnot. But please leave a like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great day.